flavor do you think the purple one is?
Actually, this one is going to be grape. I think that this one is orange sherbet. This is when the door falling on my head doesn't help me because I'm at a literal loss for words. Yeah. It's got to be a mix. Tropical punch. Papaya. Peach. Yeah, who can guess peach candy lemonade?
That's like they're trying
That's
to be
very specific. So now I know I'm in for a real hard flavor here. Well, at least straw's busted.
That's moving.
Oh. I don't know.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Oh, yeah, this is certainly dragon fruit. I actually don't